Hello, welcome to the SQL Fundamentals Level 2 course. My name is Tim Miles and I'll be your instructor. This course you're going to find is going to cover how to create stored procedures and database triggers. That is its primary purpose. I am going to show you how to create these different objects and a lot of the different tools available to us within Oracle to create those objects. Now, CompuWorks has teamed up with Sedaris to create a top-notch course with a great outline and lots of great examples. If you need those examples, which I imagine you probably will, I highly recommend you just contact CompuWorks or use the link to download the course examples for you. If there is no link, then you must contact CompuWorks and we will get those to you as soon as possible. Now, what are we going to cover in this course? The first thing we're going to cover is an introduction to our database program units. Now, when we talk about database program units, what we're really talking about are stored procedures and our triggers. But you need to understand what those are and some of the nuances about each one. I'm then going to show you how to create and maintain our stored procedures and our functions, and I'm going to show you how you use each one. We're then going to talk about creating and maintaining packages. And packages are a means for us as developers to compile our code into a cohesive application. It's basically consolidating code. But I'm going to show you some things that you can only do within a package and why a package is better than a standalone counterpart. I'm going to show you some advanced cursor techniques. I'm going to show you some of the system supplied packages that are available to us to use. And then we're going to go into the database triggers. Now, it's only one bullet point on this outline, but I assure you the database triggers is a very long subject. It's a very long lesson because triggers are kind of complex. There are things that you need to think about when we start creating triggers that you don't have to think about when you're creating a stored procedure or a function. And I'm going to show you some really cool techniques to use with your triggers to make your life much easier. And then the last thing I'm going to show you is how to implement a system event trigger. It's not going to be a deep dive into system event triggers, but it's going to give you an idea of what you can and cannot do. So hold on to your hat. This is a really fun course. We're going to cover a lot of material. So just get ready.